Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Life is Beautiful with Bliss. So just learn to enjoy your life in its way. In today's video, we are going to see about the most effective as well as most challenging part of my hair care routine. So I'm going to be talking about hair masks today. For this, I'm taking Biotique Musk Root Hair Mask. This is one of my most favorite hair masks these days. For me, applying hair mask is the most challenging and most time consuming part in my hair care routine. But to maintain our hair health, it is the most important step that should never skip. Why I am suggesting this is because a deep nourishing hair mask can make a big difference in the shining and strengthening of your hair. And it is particularly important if you have dry, damaged and frizzy hair. And even it is very important for those who has long hair. Actually, our hair growth cycle is divided into 3 stages, that is anagen, catagen and telogen. Anagen, when a new strand is formed in the follicle. Catagen, when the lower 2/3 of our hair is destroyed. Telogen, when the hair enters the resting phase waiting to be pushed out. Around 10 to 15% of our hair is in its last phase. But due to various factors, sometimes majority tends to jump to the telogen phase. This is when we face hair loss problems and hair thinning too. To avoid these issues, we should strengthen our hair from root. So the hair mask of your choice should nourish your scalp too. So my top suggestions to stop your hair fall is first of all, maintain your hair and scalp very clean. Wash your hair twice a week. Dry it out completely if you choose to tie your hair. Otherwise, you may get dandruff problems. And most important thing, try to eat a strand of curry leaf every morning in your empty stomach. It will stop your hair fall. all for today's video. I couldn't able to share all my tips in one video. In future videos I will try to